First came Endeavor, next Excelsior, and now Discovery. Oklahoma State University is collaborating with the energy technology company Baker Hughes to open OSU Discovery in Oklahoma City, their third new research facility in as many years. Upperclassmen from the College of Engineering, Architecture, and Technology will have hands-on access to world-class labs, technology, and industry expertise.
OSU Discovery is going to change the way we train engineers. So essentially, half their education is coming from industry and half of it is coming from the classroom.
Baker Hughes is continuously trying to change their technology as well as in the energy industry. The amount of opportunities that the students have is going to be endless.
How accurate is that crane? Is it hard to get the floor pieces right where they need to go?
No, not really.
When you get all these students together with not just like from people from one industry, but from multiple different companies working next to each other, you really get a lot of ideas bounced off of people. You get a huge exchange of information.
This is completely different than anything that I've seen. So this will allow us to still have your learning as well as with your internship too.
How will that give them a leg up come graduation, the experiences that they get here as they enter the real world?
We expect almost every one of these students will end up having a job before they leave. Most of these kinds of internships lead to a deep understanding and appreciation for the complexities of the jobs they've been doing in their internship. And the employer wants that in a huge way.
Students coming right out of college can immediately interact with professionals on real-world problems that they would not normally get to see in a traditional faculty-led student environment. This is actually nice consolidated rock, but you see all the cracks in it? These are natural.
That's really where you're going to learn a lot. So they teach us how to solve problems in our engineering courses, but it's where you actually learn to apply that. When you apply that thinking, that's important.
OSU Discovery will not only elevate the university's STEM program, but it will also bolster the tech energy industry across the state.
It strengthens the collaboration between local industries, universities, and the government. What's wonderful about this too is we see a lot further reaching applications in technology development that should help us with an energy transition that we're going through right now, where we're trying to reduce our reliance on traditional methods of producing energy.
How has this collaboration with Baker Hughes elevated the STEM program at Oklahoma State?
This has the potential to be really big. We want to be part of the fabric of Oklahoma City here because the amount of jobs that exist in Oklahoma City that involve sustainable energy, all this stuff needs really talented people. And we need more of the talent that's coming from Oklahoma City to get to the university so that it can take advantage of these fantastic jobs.
In Oklahoma City for O State TV, I'm Megan Robinson.